Patience, perseverance, and dedication will help us to fight even in one of the most difficult and toughest situations. Respected teachers, here I, Madhulika Gupta, a student of Jyoti Niketan School, is present before you all to express my views on the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. The above mentioned lines of my speech clearly depict the situation in which the mankind is struggling with this COVID-19 pandemic. As we all know that the year 2020 has been an incredibly challenging, transformative and life-altering year. In some of the ways, life went on as usual, but this year was like no other year we have ever experienced in our lifetimes. The COVID-19 pandemic, also known as the coronavirus pandemic, is an ongoing global pandemic of the coronavirus disease of 2019, that is COVID-19, which is caused by severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, SARS-CoV-2. The virus was first identified in December 2019 in Wuhan, China. The WHO declared it as a public health emergency of international concerns on 30th January 2020 and later declared it as a pandemic on 11th March 2020. As of June 2021, more than 180 million cases have been confirmed, with more than 3.9 million confirmed deaths attributed to the COVID-19, making it one of the deadliest pandemics in the history of mankind. The pandemic has resulted in significant global social and economic disruption, including the largest global recession of since the Great Depression of the 1930s. It has led to widespread supply shortages exacerbated by panic buying, agricultural disruptions and food shortages. However, due to the severe lockdowns imposed in our country, a lot of educational institutions and public areas have been partially or fully closed and many events have been cancelled or postponed. First wave of COVID-19 in India recorded the highest number of cases, that is 98,000 cases on 16 September 2020. Second wave of COVID-19 reached its peak in mid-April with 2.5 lakh cases reported. And the ICMR study says that the third wave of COVID-19 pandemic can be as severe as the second wave of coronavirus if taken lightly. But the question is that if we have learned so many lessons from this pandemic last year only, so why this is such a drastic increase in the number of COVID-19 cases this year also? The basic reason behind all these things is that the people have become very lax, they have become very careless. We have to check laxity of the public. When the virus was spreading in its initial stages, then the people were following all the COVID-19 norms and protocols. They were taking a lot of precautions and were following all the guidelines which our government used to give at different times. But we know that it's a human nature that after a particular period of time, people start taking things for granted. Until and unless a full-fledged vaccination program is introduced in our country, this virus should not be taken lightly. Viruses are very clandestine. It means that they change their characteristics during a specified interval of time. They undergo a lot of mutations, so they show different symptoms in different persons. So strict COVID-19 norms should be followed. Physical distancing should be maintained. People should follow proper mask hygiene and proper hand hygiene. We should maintain social distancing. Work from home is possible. And we should avoid large gathering, public places and public transportation. This is a tough time for our world and for our country. But if we deal with this pandemic patiently using different strategies, then soon a day will come when the life will come to its track as it was before the COVID-19 pandemic. The study says that the third wave of coronavirus will hit India in September or August. So at that time only 30% population will be at the risk of this virus, because still that time many people which have been previously been infected with this virus will have the antibodies developed in their bodies, and the people which have been vaccinated by our government, they will also have the antibodies developed. So about 30% population is at the risk, but at that time you have many strategies to use, because at that time you will have there are many hospitals which are just inclined to the COVID-19 patients only. There will be beds available and there will be no oxygen problem at that time, so we can deal with this virus very properly. So there is a very high chances that we can defeat this virus in this third wave itself, because the history of mankind states that any pandemic which has been ever originated lasts till 3 waves only. So we should have patience. We should deal with this virus very carefully. So at last but not the least, I will conclude my speech by saying that the patience in difficult times will solve all the problems. Thank you.